Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Simple bank system. So let me tell you what is given in the problem, right? So we are given with the bank system where we are given with vector of long log and the name of it was balance, but I have changed it to b. So let us take it as b itself. Now this is the function where we have to initialize. This was initialized. The bank system was initialized here. Now, I need to access this balance vector, right? So what I'm initializing is vector of long log balance. So I just changed balance from here to here. You would be understanding if you look at the code, right? Okay, vector of long log balance. Now I'm saying n is equal to b dot size and balance is equal to b. I'm just initializing balance as a empty vector and this b that was initially in the bank which is having the accounts of different balances. So I have changed it to this vector, right? Now let us look at the question, right? This is all the question is about, but we need to complete these three functions: transfer and then deposit and then withdraw. So transfer. In transfer function, we'll give with account 1, account 2 and amount, right? So we need to check first thing account 1 amount, this amount should be transferred from account 1 to account 2, right? So if you are a bank cashier or something like that, what will you check? First thing, account 1 and account 2 are valid. Now account 1 has balance of greater than amount or equal to amount, greater than or equal to amount, right? So if these two are valid, then we will return true. That's what we're asked with, if the transaction is uh, completed or not, successful or unsuccessful, right? So we'll return true. If not, we'll return false. Now we need to deposit. When we need to deposit into an account some number of amount, first we need to check if the account is valid, if there is the account in the bank, if it is registered. Now they have said that the bank has n accounts, right, from 1 to n. Now if you give me something like n is equal to 5, so 1 2 3 4 5 are valid, but 0 -1 7 6 all these are invalid. So that's what account is valid or not, checking this means. So account is valid or not. Now we are depositing some amount of money to account. So add amount to account and then return itself. Account, if the account is not valid, will return false. If the account is valid, then add amount to the account and return true. Now we need to withdraw some amount of money. Now imagine like you have only 10,000 rupees in your bank, but we try a transaction of withdrawing 12,000. So it will be a wrong procedure or it will not be a successful transaction. So first we need to check, every time we need to check if the account is valid and account has a balance greater than or equal to amount. If so, we'll return true, right? If the account is not valid, we'll return false. Or if the account has balance less than the required amount, less than the withdrawing amount, then we'll return false. So this is how you solve this problem, and this is a simple problem, and also you can understand this by just looking at the code. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.